In today's video, a vintage cutlery case is made. To begin the project, the back, clipboard center, and frame, constructed off camera, are put together to create the bottom section of the case. While on break, I did some inventory of the many pieces for my dollhouse, and one of the things I thought I would like to do is build a cutlery case for the spoons, forks, and knives for my Deluxe Reading Dream Kitchen set. So using the case that has been in my family for generations as inspiration, I began the process. Originally, cubes cut from a 1/4-inch dowel were used for dividers, but replaced. The process will be shown later in the video. Now the top is constructed. Sections cut from a 1/4-inch basswood strip are now glued together. Wood filler is applied along the perimeter of the top and the bottom sections, then sanded. Antique Wax by Waverly is applied to the pieces. For a richer look, 1 coat Melted Chocolate by Apple Barrel and 1 coat DuraClear Satin Varnish were applied later. After the first installation failed, the pieces were removed and reinstalled with 1 more section added. The spoons are used to gauge the spacing between the dividers, and the pieces are glued into place. A cover is now placed over the dividers. Now the top is covered with the same velvet fabric used in the grand piano restoration. A link to that video is in the description. Since the fabric is stretchy, fusible interfacing was put on the back to stabilize it, minimizing wear over time. The spaces between the dividers are clipped to insert the spoons. Off camera, the spoons were tested for fit. Matchsticks replacing the previous dividers are painted real red. The bottom half of the case is now covered. The matchsticks are cut to size, then installed. The hinges are now installed. The flat back beads normally used to cover the holes will be added later. Now the handle is installed. The beads will also be added later. Clamps are used to hold the case together, allowing the hinges to dry completely. The finished product. A knife case was also made. It was painted chocolate bar by Apple Barrel. Double stick tape is applied in the case to hold the knives. Museum wax was first used to hold the knives into place, but removed, explaining the waxy residue on the lining. I hope you enjoyed this installment of the Deluxe Reading Dream Build project. To my longtime subscribers, thank you for your support, and welcome to all new subscribers. I'm so happy you're here, and I hope you'll be inspired by the videos presented on this channel. Next time, I'll be constructing another Louis XVI French Rococo piece for the third floor. And until then, thank you so much for watching.